Hello and welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail. Take the lower part, insert one part through the gaps of the above. Take the lower part, make a pigtail out of that lower part. Roll that pigtail above and then secure it properly with your favorite juda pin or a back pin or a bobby pin or any clutcher you like. See, just like this. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail and then take that rubber band to make a fluffy ponytail. Remove that ponytail and then tie the upper part of the hair as well with a rubber band and then carefully insert the former ponytail through the latter one, securing and decorating it with your favorite rubber band. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, and take that ponytail and insert carefully through the gap. Then take the ponytail, tie it again with a rubber band, and then secure it properly with your favorite back pin or a juda pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a half ponytail, then take the lower parts of the hair as well, tie it again with a rubber band and then make a gap through those parts. Take the lower part of the hair, insert it through the gaps of the upper part and then secure it properly with your favorite back pin. Take your hair, repeat the same process as shown in the earlier video. Then take the lower end, make pigtails, take the upper end, roll it upwards and then secure it carefully with your favorite colored back pin or a juda pin. Take your hair, make it in the form of half ponytail, then take the lower end, tie all the parts of your hair together, make a gap, take the lower part, insert it upwards, roll it upwards and then secure it. Take your hair and then carefully clutch it with your favorite back pin and carefully taking few sections of hair from the sides and keep inserting those two sections inside the back pin as shown. Then let loose your remaining part of the hair. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, then remove the rubber band and then secure it properly with the back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of lower ponytail, take your favorite back pin and insert few sections from the lower part inside those back pins. Take the upper part, secure it properly with a rubber band or a bobby pin. Then you can also decorate it with your favorite back pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of a ponytail, then take that ponytail, roll it upwards, tie it properly with a rubber band and then also decorate it with your favorite ribbony rubber band or any kind of rubber band you like. You can also decorate it just as shown. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. When you are done, remove with the ponytail and then secure it properly with your favorite juda pin or a back pin. Thank you for watching.